Hey everyone! When we picture growing food, we usually imagine a sun-soaked garden. But did you know some of the best crops actually prefer a bit of shade? That spot by the fence or under a tree isn't wasted space. It's prime real estate. Shade can keep soil cooler and moister, reducing plant stress and even improving flavor. Today, I'll show you 12 vegetables that thrive in partial shade, so you can turn every corner of your garden into a food-producing powerhouse. First up is spinach, a cool weather classic that bolts and turns bitter in summer sun. Planting spinach in morning sun and afternoon shade keeps it sweet, tender, and productive for much longer. Partial shade slows bolting, so you get a steady supply for salads and sautés. Just a simple shift in location can make all the difference for this staple green. Lettuce loves a break from harsh sunlight. Too much heat makes it tough and bitter, but partial shade keeps leaves crisp and sweet. Delicate varieties like butterhead thrive in cooler, shadier spots. Harvest outer leaves continuously for a steady supply of perfect salad greens. Kale is famous for resilience and nutrition, and it actually prefers some shade. Shadier spots produce larger, sweeter, and more tender leaves. Partial shade also reduces pest problems and prevents scorching in summer. For the best kale, give it 4 to 5 hours of sun and let the shade do the rest. Swiss chard brings color and flavor to shady corners. Its vibrant stems and tender leaves stay upright and productive with morning sun and afternoon shade. Shade helps conserve water and keeps the harvest coming all season. Chard is one of the most reliable greens for any garden, sun or shade. Arugula, or rocket, is best when it's peppery, not bitter. Full sun makes it bolt and taste harsh, but shade keeps it mild and leafy. Grow arugula in cooler, shadier spots for multiple harvests before it bolts. If you've had bitter arugula before, try it in the shade for a tastier crop. You'll enjoy a longer, more flavorful harvest. Peas love cool weather and struggle in heat. Afternoon shade keeps soil cool, letting peas produce longer and pods fill out sweetly. This is especially helpful for fall crops or extending spring harvests. For the best peas, give them a trellis in a spot with some afternoon shade. Beets offer both tasty roots and delicious greens. Partial shade keeps roots tender and greens lush, especially in hot climates. Too much sun can make roots woody and leaves tough. With 5 to 6 hours of sun, you'll get the best of both worlds. Carrots can handle partial shade and often taste better for it. Shade keeps soil cool and moist, preventing woody or cracked roots. Morning sun and afternoon shade is the sweet spot for tender, sweet carrots. Try a shadier spot if you've struggled with tough carrots before. Radishes are quick growers that hate heat. Shade keeps roots crisp and mild and prevents splitting or bolting. Tuck radishes into shady nooks for a continuous, perfect harvest. For crack-free radishes, a little shade goes a long way. Broccoli rabe or rapini is best before it flowers and turns bitter. Shade delays flowering, giving you a longer window to harvest tender shoots. Cooler, shadier spots keep stems sweet and edible. If you love rapini, grow it in partial shade for the best results. Bok choy and other Asian greens bolt quickly in heat. Partial shade keeps them cool, letting heads mature fully and stay tender. You'll get bigger, better harvests and can even grow them through summer in many climates. Shade is the secret to a long, productive season for these greens. Cilantro and parsley bolt fast in the sun, losing flavor and tenderness. Morning sun and afternoon shade keep them lush, green, and productive. Grow them in containers or under taller plants for a steady supply. Shade extends your harvest and keeps herbs fragrant for all your dishes. There you have it, 12 vegetables that thrive in shade. Don't let those shady corners go to waste. Fill them with greens, roots, and herbs for a bountiful harvest. What's your favorite veggie to grow in the shade? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow gardener. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.